Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AI snaps not showing on Snapchat. Well, this is very easy thing to solve. So first of all, you have to just go to your Play Store and search here for Snapchat. Well, this is very simple, but this is very important because this can solve your problem in just few seconds. And as you can see here, I have got an option to update my Snapchat. So here it's very important to update your Snapchat into your current smartphone. Well, this can solve your problem, so just reopen your phone. If it doesn't, then let's move to our next step. Go to settings of your phone, and here you have to go to the apps section. Go to the app management. App management is basically where all the application which is installed in your phone will be shown here. Now you have to search for Snapchat. So this is Snapchat, and here I will go to the storage usage, clear the cache. Now click on manage space. It will redirect to your Snapchat and click on delete. So if you delete it, it will delete all the files and everything, but it will not get deleted for 100%. When you will re-log in into your Snapchat, your problem will get solved. So after that, you will see that AI Snapchat, or basically AI snaps, is available or showing in your Snapchat. So this is only one way to solve this problem. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.